Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So this is Tian, and in this video I'm going to talk about the tags. So if you all remembered, I used some tags in the style.css file of my WordPress directory, WordPress theme directory. So there was a portion where it required tags, and I chose maybe blog and restaurant. I don't know. I have to see that once more. But the thing is, from where I can get that tags. So when you actually go to WordPress.org and you click on themes and you check some of the themes that's been in the WordPress directory, and you just go for the popular ones, you can also see that here there's a section called feature layout, and there are tons of things that you can check from this list, like grid layout, blog, e-commerce. And after checking those things, you can actually filter the themes that you are looking for. So currently there are 4,122 themes, but if I click e-commerce and apply filter, then it will only show me 1203 themes. These 1203 teams has the tag e-commerce in it. This e-commerce tag, where I can get this tag. So if you go to themes slash handbook slash review slash record slash theme tags, then you can see all the tags that's in this feature filter. Here I have clicked on e-commerce. This is a tag, blog is a tag, education is a tag. So these are all tags, and these are all layout tags, and you can see here the layout tags are these, and these all are feature tags. So you have to know what features your WordPress theme offers, what layout your WordPress themes is compatible to, and what subject tags is most likely to your theme. So yeah, you have to actually know those things, and you have to use these tags. Like if your website is a blog and education, you have to use these two tags so that when people are searching with these tags, they can find your WordPress theme, and they can download it and they can use it for their website. So that's how you get the tags of WordPress theme, and this is actually very important. If you don't put the tags, then you won't get a quality check from the theme review team, either in WordPress.org or themeforest.net or anywhere else like these marketplaces. So that's about it for this video. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.